Today my topic is how to remember business studies by memory techniques. Memory technique is developed. By the help of that, we can cover the complete book in 2 hours if we use that very method. So, first of all, I am explaining you, as you can see on the screen, there is written creative side of the mind. Mind has 2 parts, one is logical mind, other is creative part of the mind. In logical mind, we have to go by step thinking, calculation, roots and logics. But when we go to creative part, there are dream, fantasies, imagination, color and creation. If you want to remember a lot of things, you have to use your creative mind of the brain. Creative means right part of the brain. Now I am going to explain you what is creativity, how to use it. Mind has unlimited powers. There are 1 billion neurons in the mind, and normal person can remember, can use only uses 10% of its powers, and normal person can remember 14 languages and 4 encyclopedias. You have to believe in the power of the mind and avoid negative information. You know, negative information decreases your power, limit your power, and also you have to control brain frequency. There is a rule, I read, I forget, I see, I remember. That I will use in my all slides. I will show you certain things. With the help of that, you can remember any of the chapters. Now we are going to start memory methods. There are 3 methods in the memory. One is procedural memory method, other is journey method, and third is linking method. What is procedural memory method? You have to learn the procedure, and in linking method you have to link the things. Now when you are using the linking method, always new information should be linked with the stored information. Whatever you want to remember is new information, and what exists in your mind is old information or stored information. And whenever you are using any of the memory method, always use imagination and visualization. What is imagination? Looking from the eyes of the mind or ears of the mind. We all have 4 ears and 4 eyes. And similarly, we have to use 5 senses technique. What is 5 senses? You know, we can see, we can smell, we can taste, we can hear, and we can feel. We can remember a movie because when we are looking at the movie, so we are using more than 3 senses. As we are looking at the movie, we are listening to dialogues and we are enjoying. That is why we are able to remember. That is all we have to use now. So now linking method I am explaining you. What is linking method? I want to remember qualities of a good salesman. To remember it, I use the movie Rocket Singh Salesman of the Year. So what is, I am letting all the points with his body. First, here I have written presence of mind, as you can see on the left side of my left side on the screen. Presence of mind. Then there is I for initiative, I for imagination, and then this I for intelligence. So these points you can remember. Similarly, this is ear, E for enthusiastic. Now you come here on the communication skills. Then I have written on the collar what is personality. Then he is wearing a tie, T for tactful. Then as he is standing like this, as you have seen, he is standing like this. So C for communication. Then here sound health. Then on the watch I have written judgment. He is judging time all the time. And then you know this is self confidence, and this is T. T means thigh. Thigh is T for talented. Then as you know, there is a bag in his shoulder. That shows that he always brings the bag with him. It means he is very disciplined guy. Discipline. And see, I explain you convincing. This is how you can remember all the points by linking with that very movie. Rocket Singh Salesman of the Year. This is called as linking method. Only you have to remember Rocket Singh Salesman of the Year, you can remember all the points. Now I am coming to the next point. The next method is called as procedural memory method. What is procedural memory method? If I know the procedure of certain things, I don't have to remember. If I know how to swim, I don't have to remember how to swim. When I know the driving, I know the driving. This is called as procedural memory method. Now you have to remember management as a profession. So, you know, I've written, first of all, I've written, what is meaning of management as a profession? Management is a profession means management, there is doctors, engineers, they are professional people. So what is required to become like that? First of all, there is a body language. I've written on the back side, body language. Body language means there should be a core structure defined. And second, I've written here restricted entry. Restricted entry means entry is restricted, and then you have to acquire that very knowledge. You have to acquire the knowledge in your mind. First, body language, restricted entry, acquired. Fourth, there should be association to control it. As you know, a lawyer have a Bar Council of India, CS have Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Then you have to provide services and you get rewards. And seventh is ethical standards. As you are living in society, there should be ethical standards. This all 7 points are written here. Now you may be astonished why I have made this graphical thing. You know, whenever we write anything, like in the book it is written, so we cannot remember it. But when it is in a pictorial diagram or colorful form, we can remember. That is why I have made a paragraph, I have made this picture like that. So the 7 points can be remembered by procedural memory method along with the color notes. Now I am coming to the third method, that is called as journey method. A journey method means we have to make a journey. We have to make a journey. We have to move from one place to another. Example, you have to want to remember 14 principles of management. To remember 14 principles of management, you know what I have used? I use a memory technique. What is the memory technique like that? First of all, I will tell you 3 places in which I will place all the points. One is the watchman. When you enter the school, there is a watchman standing. Then the second place, I will make a picture. You are standing on the reception. And then on the third place, I will make a picture. You are, after reception, you are entering into principal room. 3 steps. First, you are outside the school. Second picture, you will at reception. Third, you are at the principal room. Now let us assume you are now standing in front of the watchman. So you ask him, are you disciplined? First point is discipline. He say, no, we was not disciplined previously because we was not getting salary on time, and our tenure was also not fixed. Now I explained discipline, salary, and tenure 3 points. So then I asked him, now you are satisfied? Today I am satisfied because now we are getting salary on time, we follow discipline and tenure is fixed. Then I asked him the question, do you have any fight in between the group? Yes, there was fight, and top management came to us and they told us, you want to increase your salary? We are told, yes, we want to increase our salary. Okay, then you have to work in one direction, means unity of direction. Sir, from where we will get unity of direction? You will get unity of direction from unity of command. Unity of direction, unity of command, and you will not fight. Unity is strength. Next point is unity is strength. Then I entered into reception. There was written equity, all are equal. And then, you know, everything was in order, because when you enter, everything is in order, and in the entry, reception is always good. Then I entered to principal room. I seen the principal, ma'am, how you control the school? Madam, I don't do anything. I only take initiative for division of work. In that way it works. Ma'am, centralization. I have all the power in my hand. It works. Ma'am, scalar chain, authority, responsibility. Authority, responsibility. This is called as journey method. These are the 3 methods we are going to use in all the chapters. You can linking method, journey method, or procedural memory method. Now we are going to start the chapters.